All right, here's the latest. True scissor lift. Don't play with scissors. It's a 92 HiJet, 4-wheel drive, 660cc. Given it's a 92, it's in pretty good shape. It's actually in really good shape, all things considered. I haven't even cleaned it yet. It won't stop raining here, so I'm just doing, figure I'd take some pictures and shoot some video while I'm thinking about it and have a little bit of time. All right. And that's what makes it worth it right there. All right. So we got down. We actually go to dump mode. So we do that dump lever. And now when we go back up, we're into full-on dump. And for those of you who know about scissor lifts and dumps, well, first of all, it goes pretty high. It's like almost vertical. The thing that kind of caught me off guard is the remote control, which I'll show you in a minute. The remote control only works in lift mode, not dump mode. Given how mechanical these things are, there's actually a safety switch that would prevent the remote from working because they don't want you in the dump bed while it's dumping. So that's that. We'll put her down and maybe we'll go for a ride. The tires are rubber. It's not lightning and thunder. So let's see. Put that back that way. So now it's going to go back to let's go for a ride. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. This guy goes up there. Here we go up. And whoa. Hello. This is if you're scared of heights, this could be interesting. Whoa. All right. It's a little wobbly, but if you need to clean gutters or anything, this is like the way to go. Whoa. Hello. So that's what I mean by the remote not working. I don't know what this means. If somebody knows what this button does, can you let me know? Because there's one in the dash too, and it doesn't seem to do anything. But we're going to make our way down. The only thing that needs a good coating of this deck would be all that's really needed. Uh-oh. Okay, we are home. I think we are. Yep. And that's all she wrote, I think. Let's look at the interior. The interior is not bad at all. The typical seat rips and the door card could be refinished. Actually, this door card is different than that door card, so I would just refinish both door cards. The headliner's kind of fallen down, but it just tucks back in. It would be super easy to replace. Push button 4-wheel drive, and it also has the Diff lock. And I haven't even washed this yet. This is how it came. Bend the lights back, but they all work. All right. Let's look at the motor. There she is. It's been maintained. There's a lot of receipts. Oil. Timing belt was done. Looks like a long time ago, but it was done at one time. It's at 100, I'd say 111,000 kilometers. And let's get in here. It has a super awesome radio. I don't know if it works. Nope. Doesn't seem to work. But it's super awesome. I would put it in one of my other vehicles. That retro feel. You know what? I wonder if there's a fuse out or something. Well, dash lights all work. All right, and here's that switch again. If somebody knows, what does this switch do? I would love to know. There's the up down right here for the lift and the dump, and then this. And the remote control has this switch as well. I was thinking maybe for a light that's not there, like a cab light or a bed light that may be optional. All right.